starting from scratch again can feel so overwhelming, but there are multiple times in our life where that happens, where we have to pick up the pieces and put something together when we don't even have pieces to put together. And I've personally experienced that after getting divorced, becoming a single mom, the first time I had to close my office space when I had the consignment store. Like, there are multiple times where we're kind of like a butterfly. We come out so much more beautiful on the other side, but trying to figure out that time of how to piece things together is just, it takes a lot. And in this episode, I want to talk about what it looks like when you are in your closet and you're trying to find what you want for yourself, because sometimes you can get so far separated from how you look to how you're showing up in the world to who you are. Like, all these parts of you start to become so separated that when you look back in your closet, you're like, okay, what do I need to do now? Like, what have I been wearing on repeat and why? Like, once you become aware that you want to change something in your closet, you can't unsee it. Every time you go in there and get dressed, you just see all the mismatched pieces or all the pieces that you bought last minute that kind of like worked, but you're wearing them, but now they don't fit. So let's talk about that. And I hear this a lot with clients when they first work with me. I do have to say, like, the majority of people, when they do come to work with me for the first time, they're more on that place where they're like, I could literally donate everything from my closet and rebuild it, and I'd be okay with that. And that's a great place to be. And to be that aware and know that you want that for yourself is wonderful too. But before you go in and take everything out, you do have to see where you are right now. Before you take that step, you need to kind of evaluate where you are so you know where you are going. It comes at a point too when people start to feel like everything in their closet became more functional rather than stylish. Some people have gone their whole life like this. Some people have gone through little seasons of their life where things just are more functional than stylish, but seeing the fit and the reason behind it is really important. When this happens, when you start to be more functional, you're that kind of shopper where you find that one piece, that t-shirt or that pant, and you're like, give me every color of that because I don't want to have to go find that again. Like, it just feels safe to you at that moment because you don't want to search and try new things. You just want to make it easy on yourself. And I get it. I get that going on repeat is easy and it works for a time. It really does. In the beginning, when you start that process of like finding those fits and that like almost quote unquote uniform to your look, it works for a little bit. But when you have done it for years, times have changed. Your body has changed. Where you're at, your season in life has changed. What you were doing, your lifestyle has changed. And so your style has to update with you too. You don't want your clothing to feel like they are wearing you. You want to wear your clothing. And that makes more sense after you try things on that really fit well. So in this podcast episode today, if you resonate with that, if you resonate with feeling like you're kind of at that point where you're like, I want to start over again. I know I need to do it, but I don't really know what to do. It feels overwhelming. Today, I want to share with you a few tips of things you can do and things I recommend that you not do in order to achieve rebuilding a wardrobe and a style that reflects you. Number one, don't buy one piece without a full outfit. And before you get on me about this, just listen up. If you feel like you're starting from scratch and you're buying one piece, you're not going to go home after buying one piece and feel good about yourself. You're going to buy that one piece and feel like, oh my gosh, I have so much more left to do. How do I even wear this? What do I do with this one piece that I know I like? It just gets so confusing. So I highly recommend when you are shopping, when you find that one piece that works for you that you like, continue building that whole outfit. I laugh because it's something that we don't think about. Like, we just want to shop for a piece here and there, but it doesn't really work well that way. Getting one piece and just finding the outfit for it, then you could take, if you did have something to build from, you could take that outfit home and intermix and match with other things in your closet. And if you are starting from scratch, like this episode is about, and you have a full outfit for that piece, you will feel so much better and you can consistently expand on that as you continue shopping later on. So try to find a full outfit. And that includes the shoes, the pants, because people sometimes buy pants and they don't know what shoes to wear with it. So buy the pants, buy the shoes, buy a little jacket or a cardigan that you can wear with it. And if you do like jewelry, buy a piece of jewelry too. So you literally have one full outfit with that piece. Number 2, when you are shopping for yourself and you're rebuilding, focus on one part of your life that you are shopping for. I know we have all parts of ourselves. You could do like date night, weekend wear, travel wear, work, conference. Like there's so many parts of life that you need to dress for, but to make it easy, keep it simple for yourself and just focus on that one type of outfit that you want to shop for. And I promise you, it's going to make it so much easier. It'll keep you away from the shiny objects. When you see something else in the store you want to try on, just don't do it. You don't have time to do that. And it's going to get you so much more confused. So focus on just one category of your life that you really want to replace at this moment. Number 3, I recommend using Pinterest and Instagram as a guide only. I'm going to repeat that. When you are on Instagram and Pinterest, I want you to use it as a guide. I don't want you to literally shop from those pieces because it's just a pet peeve of mine. But like the Amazon purchases and the Zara things, I hear this from people consistently. Like they get on Instagram, they see the outfit on the influencer, they buy the outfit, they get it on, and it fits horribly. The quality is just not good. So I would use it as a guide. And the way that I recommend using it as a guide is that when you collect all the pictures together and you see what you're liking, what you're attracted to, ask yourself what it is that you're attracted to about it. Is it the color scheme? Is it the outfits all together? Is it that it just looks very classic? Does it look fun? What are the words that are coming to mind when you see these pieces? Because that's probably what is attracting you to it. And then when you shop, you can look for similar items. So when you use it as a guide, I recommend starting at mid-range price point. Not that you can't find things that are cheaper or anything, but mid-range price point is just a good place to start because I want you to get pieces that you can wear again and again. If you were someone that does not enjoy shopping and you don't want to go into a store all the time, you need to buy pieces that have more of like that timeless factor to it that you can literally wear season after season, because you are not going to go to Zara again in a month and find another piece, or Amazon again and find another piece after that item that you wore 2 times just did not wash well. So I highly recommend using Pinterest and Instagram as your guide. Number 4, I want you to shop in person. I know online has so many options and you're probably busy, but when you are starting out again, if you have not gone shopping and you're rebuilding your closet, online is going to feel so overwhelming. There are way too many options and stores and styles and brands to look at. Go in person because it's a lot easier to try something on and take it off and try something else on. So I even do this with myself. Like I actually set a date to shop with myself and it works perfectly. I know that I'm not going to schedule any clients during that time. I don't have my kids during that time. And I get focus on me. It gives me something to look forward to and know like that time is set. And I also would say that keep it to a 3-hour minimum. 3-hour max. Because shopping can feel like a lot and decision making is really overwhelming. So keep it to 3 hours max. If you need a little inspiration on things that you could look for, I have a free style personality quiz that you can take from my website, myclosetedit.com. The link is going to be below in the show notes. And all you do is you answer a few questions, and there's 4 different personality types. And when you get your results, I actually share with you 3 different stores, 3 different brands, and an outfit idea that is inspired for the season. If you're listening to this during summer, it's a summer inspiration board for you to shop from. I highly recommend using this because it will show you stores and brands that clients actually love. And if you don't know where to shop, you'll have some more direction on the stores that you can check out. This is just the beginning of building your wardrobe. There are other pieces of advice and steps that you can take, but I want you to start with this and see how you feel afterwards. Take notes on what's working for you and what isn't. Let me know what you find as you're exploring your style, because this beginning is going to take you into so many new directions and possibilities once you start trying something new. I wanted to keep this episode short and sweet. One, I'm sick. And two, I want to expand on this. So I want you to let me know. Send me a message on Instagram. I'm at thecloset.edit. That's on Instagram at thecloset.edit. Send me a DM and let me know what you would find more helpful. Like, what do you want the next episode to be about, to expand on this? And I want to be here to support you. So continue building a life and a style that truly reflects you. I'll catch you next time.